Okay, so here's what we're doing here. I wanted to show you this unit originally, this new project in DC, for one simple reason, and that's because of the wallpaper that they used in the bathroom. A couple of months ago, this same developer had made a different project in DC where they had two units which both had the same wallpaper, very unique wallpaper, in the bathrooms, and they used it perfectly, and I thought it was hilarious, and I wanted to show it. However, both of those units went under contract and sold before I even had a chance to go in there, film it, and share it with other people. So, with that being said, this one pops up on the market. I see the bathroom, I see the wallpaper. It's a nod to the same developer designing this one again. It's definitely a talking piece. So that's what brought us in here. However, this specific condo, which is actually a townhouse, it's a 2-level townhouse, it has probably 5 or 6, maybe 7 very unique items that have been implemented into the design of it, which is something that you don't see often. Normally, if you find a house that has 2 or 3 of these elements, that's awesome and makes you feel like you have a unique home. This one probably has 6. So after acknowledging that, noticing that, I definitely wanted to share the property. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, which is involved in a condo association because there are 2 townhomes linked together in this one single row home. The condo fee is like $270 a month, so not outrageous, but 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The square footage, because of the way that the developer developed it, is completely estimated. Walking around this unit, it's probably, I would say it's probably 12 or 1,300 square feet. But I'm gonna flip it around and show you what we're looking at here. All right, so this is immediately as you walk in through the entrance into the townhouse. You have a small coat closet here, okay? A window leading to the front outside. We are right in the middle of Shaw. We're in the heart of Shaw. You're in walking distance of Shaw's Tavern, next to Dasha Beer Garden. You have the Bundy Dog Park right across the street, which is super popular for everybody with dogs. So the location's prime. Now it's just about the unit. This I love. Obviously I love it because I love black, but the cabinetry with that slick black look being paired off with the white quartz countertops. And here's the thing, they didn't just end there. They actually took the island and made the island white cabinetry. So I like the way that this bounces off of each other, gives it a little bit of variety, yet complements each other at the same time. Something else to mention was this. I don't see a ton of black drop-in sinks. This one is one, and furthermore, beyond that, I think this is probably the Forteza series. And what this is a granite composite. So if you look at it close, it almost looks like it's like cement, right? If you know what a granite composite is, you know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't seen one of these, what you have here is essentially a scratch resistant, heat resistant, rust resistant, everything resistant drop-in sink. So for those of you that cook, this is perfect. And for those of you that just want a cool look, this is also perfect. So I love that they put this undermount sink into the island. Undermount meaning that you can't see the sink from above. It's been dropped in underneath of the countertop cut, okay? As we move through here, I'm going to show you, why not show you right now? I'm going to show you the reason why we're here. This. I love this wallpaper. I want it in my house. See, when you have a home that looks like this, right? This, everything's very chic, sophisticated, well-designed, a bit luxurious. It's nice to have something in here that's a little tongue-in-cheek, a little bit fun. You know, it adds some humor into the house, and I think it actually works out well with these colors. And then, of course, you know, what they've done over here in the kitchen. So Ben Franklin, popping some bubble gum. That's why we're here. I like this floating sink with the black brushed piping. Very cool. Okay. Now here's something else that I've started to notice some developers have caught on. This one, they did it in a townhouse. I've seen a couple of one-level condos do it. And here's the thing, when you're working with narrow spaces, which you often are in DC row homes, I would say we're probably looking at, I don't know what this is. This is probably 16 feet across here. I should know that and I don't know that, but whatever. They've started to open up the windows completely. So they're doing giant oversized windows, which lets the light pour in. It makes everything feel way more open. You don't feel tight in here. It doesn't feel closed in. It feels really comfortable and really nice. So that's another unique point. This window, the other unique points were the cabinetry, Ben Franklin, the drop-in sink, and then there's this. We're in the middle of DC and you have a backyard. You actually have a private back patio. This section of Shaw, the row homes that exist here, they all have a little bit what of a back patio, but this is not something that you commonly find in DC. So if you are looking in DC, maybe if you're open to the Shaw area and you like the Shaw area, maybe you want to check out Shaw if you need a backyard. This is actually going to lead down to the other level within this unit. So the bedrooms down here can walk straight out into the patio as well. And if you want to keep one coming up, you can come up through this way. So this unit in particular, you have main level, and then bedroom level is actually underneath, because the other unit that's being sold in this building has main level here and then bedrooms up top. Okay. Now, what are we on? Fifth unique item? Fifth, sixth? I don't know. This. I really enjoy that they left the original brick wall in place. You know, when they do these homes, they have to gut them out completely, turn them into shells, redo everything. If the brick is salvageable, they will try to do it. Oftentimes, it's not. So I'm really glad to see that they were able to save this, clean it up, and keep it as an accent, a natural structure accent wall in the house. They do this a lot in Baltimore, but in DC, not as often. And I have a feeling it's because some of the brick is just not as salvageable and doesn't look good. Check out this lighting fixture above the island. Super slick. I mean, that's only an inch wide, but it puts out so much light. Really nice. Heading downstairs here. So this is going to be your bedroom level. You have the first bedroom. Okay, good size. That's going to be the front access there. So you can walk out that way, and then that is, of course, the front gate, which you come into the actual row home. You're probably your only issue with this room would be, you could make it an office if it's just you in here, or if it's just a couple or something like that. But the only issue with this room would probably be this closet. It's a single door closet, so you have limited space, you know, as to what you could put in here. As we move across the way, this is going to be a washer, dryer. First bathroom. Nice, clean, sleek, white bathroom. Got a little bit of the gray subway tile type look on it. Okay. Vanity. Moving forward, I forget what's here. Oh, water heater, HVAC. Now this, the door is open, but this is going to be your master suite. Okay, so we have our one bedroom over here. They can use this bathroom, a full bath, but as you get over here, this would be your private owner's suite. So we open this up. This is going to be the master bath, where you have the dual vanity. I think this light bulb within the mirror burned out because I can't get it to come on, so whatever, replace that, and then you'll have that LED lighting system going around the mirror's border. A nice step-in shower. Glass frame, looks nice. And then for this, because it's the owner's suite, and they probably recognized that you needed some closet space, they took this whole wall and did a big built-in shelving system. So you have two sliding doors here that open up into shelving that goes, back. It's hard to get back there with this phone as a camera, but video camera. but nonetheless, it does go back here. So way more closet space in this bedroom than the other one. And then here's your master. Okay. Door goes out to the back patio. As I said before, you can go right up there into your backyard. And then if you wanted, you could just go straight up into your living room. And that's it. So again, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's listed at $799,000. We're in the middle of Shaw, as I said before, Shaw's Tavern, Dasha Beer Garden. You have the giant grocery over here, Bundy Dog Park. There's plenty of more that you can get to. This place has a 92 walk score, so it's one of the, I mean, it's high up there, right? You can get to anything. 2 blocks, 3 blocks away, you have the metro. Plenty of public transportation if you wanted it. Parking's not too bad around here. It's not terrible. I found a parking space pretty easily, so that should be good. But yeah, nice home. I like the way that they designed it. And again, it has probably 6 or 7 unique items within it that you don't often find in renovations here in DC. So I think that about wraps it up.